Between the time that I released my last video till now, AUDJPY has moved more than 400 pip. That is to tell you that if you watched my last video and you took that trade, between that time till now, you would have made more than 400 pip on AUDJPY. From what I told you, AUDJPY is going to give more than 1,000 pip and the move has just started. If you are new to this channel, my name is David Wekulum from Weldds Asset Limited, and I am the person that developed the Weldds Macro Terminal. The Weldds Terminal is the best analytic software. It does fundamental analysis, macroeconomic data analytics, okay, for retail traders and make swing trade recommendations. And it is the best on the internet right now. So I am going to use the macro terminal and show you why we chose to take AUDJPY. When you look at this macro terminal, this shows you what is happening in the market. The pound is pushing hard this morning. AUD is pushing hard. Euro is also doing fine, and the Japanese yen as well. This is what is happening right now in the market. Okay, and then if you come down, you will see the currency strength. Okay, this is macroeconomic strength. When we analyze all the macroeconomic data and we rate the currencies, this is what we see. This currency strength is not your normal currency strength meter. This has to do with macroeconomic, and it will not change within a short period of time. That is why you can hold your trade for a long period of time and you will be sure that it is going to go in that direction. And from here, you see that the US dollar is the strongest, seconded by the British pound and the Australian dollar. When you come to the bottom three, you see Japanese yen, Swiss franc, and New Zealand dollar. Then the recommended trades, you are seeing USDJPY, USD CHF, New Zealand dollar, USD. And then if you look at it, the AUDJPY dropped to this level. The AUDJPY, okay, when you see the top three, it was there, then it has dropped. But from what I am seeing, it is going to start moving back again. Now, when we saw that it recommended a buy on AUDJPY and this other one, I came to the chart. And then when I came to the chart, if you have been following my old trades, we have been buying this currency from April 2025. We have been buying this currency pair. And I kept on telling you people to buy. So the idea is to look for the retracement and join the trade. So this is weekly time frame. If you come to the weekly time frame, there is something you will see here. So we started buying this currency from around here, and then it kept going. When it broke this level, I told you to keep on buying, that this is the next target. And now it has come here, broken this level. And when it broke, I told you the next level is here. Okay, so if you measure, take calculator and measure from where we started, I told you that this currency is going to move for at least 1,000 pip. But we are seeing 1,300 and something pip. That is what is clearly within our reach right now. Okay, why did I choose this level? If you compress this thing, you will see that the next available reference point is this place. And the last time that the AUDJPY came to this level was in 1990 July. Okay, so from every indication, it has clearly broken all these levels, and that is the next available level that is within our direct reach. Okay, so if you come to the daily time frame, what I showed in my last video on the daily time frame, let me make this bold. The market came here, broke this place, came back to retest, and when it came to retest, I gave the trade signal, and this is the trade that has been playing out. Why did I choose that place? If you use Fibonacci retracement and measure from this level up to that high, this place coincided with the 61.8 Fibonacci level. And you know that I execute my trade on 61.8 Fibonacci level. So just look at it. It came back here, sat exactly at the 61.8 Fibonacci level, and that was exactly where we started taking the trade. So this position has moved. For people that took that trade, it has already hit take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. So technically, if you had one more trade remaining, you can keep on holding it for a long time. The reason, anytime I take a perfect position on Japanese yen pairs, I like to keep 1 or 2 positions running indefinitely after moving stop loss to break even, because this kind of currency pairs, they like moving for a very long time. So that is what we have seen. So this trade has hit the take profit levels and clearly broken this structure. So we are now heading for the next push. So what we can wait for is time for us to be patient. This move is not time for you to join this movement. Wait for it to go and clearly do a retracement before the next entry. So you have to exercise so much patience. If you come to the 4-hour time frame, which is the last place that I like to stop my analysis, you see that it has already moved. So if God help and this currency pair comes back, then it will be a good time to join. And when you join, make sure you enter with more than one position so that you can keep one position moving for a long time, because we have more than 1,000 pip that we are going to catch on this trade. I'm not sure that this retracement has begun, okay, but if it has, what you will see is this. If you take this Fibonacci retracement, you can wait for it to come back to the 61.8 and then you can join that trade, or the 78.6 Fibonacci level. These are good times to enter the trade, but from what I'm saying, this push might just continue. Okay, so that is for AUDJPY. The second trade is New Zealand dollar JPY. These two currency pairs, they like moving the same way, and if you have taken one, I don't encourage you to take the other one for proper diversification sake. Okay, so this is the currency pair. For this one, it was playing around this zone for a long time, then it broke out and it has started. So what you can expect on this currency pair is for it to drop. Maybe if this can drop back, then you can join that trade. Now if you take the daily time frame, you see that this is where we started taking this position. The first take profit region is here. Okay, for the trades that we took after that breakout, we are going to close some of the positions here, but overall the long-term position for this currency, this one is also a very nice one. This is where we are going. You can imagine, if you measure from where the market is right here to here, you see that we still have more than 500 people. You don't see me making videos all the time because most of the time I am holding on to my old trade, and this is clear. The market clearly broke out of this place, came back to retest, sat there very well, formed a stable base to push. So what is there? We are coming to this level, and the Weldds Terminal has already told you. Look at the position of Japanese yen. Look at the position of New Zealand. Although the movement might be slow, it might take some time, but that is clearly the direction. Okay, there are many other trades set up that we could look, but I don't want this video to be too long. If you have been trading and you have not been stable and you are looking for a way for you to enhance your trading education, the Weldds Forex Academy is still available. Check the pinned comment or the description of this video for my WhatsApp, and you can chat me directly and we'll be able to enroll you into the Weldds Forex Academy. Now we are also doing our account management service. If you have a trading account that is from $1,000 and above, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, and you're looking for a competent hand to handle it for you, you can also chat me via the pinned comment or the link provided in the description of the video. Make sure you are getting it from the pinned comment or the description of this video. That is my direct line. You can chat me and will be able to trade for you. We are not taking your money. The money remains with any broker of your choice. It is your account. We only execute trade based on the risks that you are able to accept, and then we share in the profit. I'll be glad to do business with you, because I want you to take time and watch some of the previous videos and you can see the amazing experience we have been having. See you in the next video.